Hi all, hope all of you are doing good. If you are an online store owner, you know how difficult it is to stand out in the crowded marketplace. One of the most important aspects of your online store is your product descriptions. Product descriptions provide potential customers with the information that they require to make purchasing decisions. Effective product descriptions also help you to rank better in search engines, allowing your customers to find your products much easier. But we all know that writing compelling product descriptions is easier said than done. That's where the new Shopify Magic comes in. Multiple fields in the Shopify admin is enhanced with automatic text generation powered by Shopify Magic, which helps you to make your writing processes easier. Using artificial intelligence, the Shopify Magic uses the contents provided by you or the information provided by you to generate suggestions for product descriptions, email subjects lines, headlines, etc. for your Shopify store. This automatic text generation uses large language models or LLMs, which are computer programs that are designed to process and analyze the human languages. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the Shopify Magic in your online store to make it helpful for creating product descriptions and all these things for your store. Let's get into the video. Go to your products. So let us choose one product. This midi dress I am choosing. So uh, in your product backend, now you can see that there is a small icon like this purple color icon, that diamond shaped icons over there. So this is the Shopify Magic. So you have to click on this, and here you have to enter the features of your products and the keywords that you want to have in the product description. Okay, so I am going to give here is a cotton, red color, trendy, woman's dress. Then I'm going to give this a modest wear. Okay, so you can give the features of your product and all and the keywords that you want to include in the product description over here, separated by commas. Then here you can see an option called tone of voice. You can select expert, daring, playful, what is the type of the voice that the product description should be, so you can choose that. Now let us here for example say playful, and then let's see. Then if you want to have any special instructions, you can give that special instructions over there. And now let us click on generate text. See, now you can see that it has created, the Shopify Magic has created as a very good product description. This midi dress is a must for the trendiest of ladies. Redeem yourself in this cotton. No need to worry about the style for modesty. Mix and match colors for unique looks. You are guaranteed to feel chic. So this is the playful one. Now if you want an expert tone, then you can actually choose the tone of voice as expert and then click on try again. So you get a very expert tone of voice over there. Then if you want a daring, let us try that. And you see it gives a very daring kind of product description for us. Try Shopify Magic, add the relevant features and of your product and keywords, and see the magic that happens. And if you have any questions, please ask us in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.